John the Beloved. John the Beloved. He just sits at the feet of Jesus. Whatever he wants to do, he just call, oh my Jesus, I love you. Let me sit down and just listen to you. There is nothing like love, especially hello people. Welcome to another Bible trivia with Yoyo. So last week we talked about the book of Exodus, and where we asked how many chapters are in the book of Exodus, and what is the name of the man that the Lord filled with the spirit of wisdom. If you've not watched that episode, please, it's going to be linked on this episode. Please go to our channel at Bible Trivia with Yoyo on our YouTube. You would see the episode. Thank you so much, and welcome to another moment with me again, Bible Trivia with Yoyo, where we explore Bible quizzes and Bible stories. Today, we're going to be looking at one of my favorite book of the Bible, the book of John. But today, to bring it to contest, we're looking at the third John. John. It's so interesting why I love John, Apostle John. Apostle John, also known as John the Beloved. John the Beloved. Oh my God. If you can remember something about John the Beloved, please type it on the comment section. John the Beloved, what is that thing that you can remember about Apostle John? John the Beloved, popularly called. For me, what I do remember for him is how he just sits at the feet of Jesus. Whatever he wants to do, he just call, oh my Jesus, I love you. Let me sit down and just listen to you. There is nothing like love, especially pure love. And there is something that Apostle John did that really, 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 really made him so significant, apart from just sitting down at the feet of Jesus. Do you want to try? Okay, let me go. When Jesus was crucified at the cross of Calvary, the mother was right there all the way. She stood afar. And guess who was standing by the mother? It was John the Beloved. He stood with the mother of Jesus. I'm sure he was like, don't worry. This was told, the story has already been told in the book of Isaiah. Remember that. And remember, Jesus talked about his death, that in 3 days he's going to rebuild the temple. Don't worry, the light is going to shine again. Let's go home. And the Bible actually said, you'll see it on the comment section, when he said that he took the mother of Jesus with him, and I'm sure he started taking care of her. It's so heartwarming for me. But that aside, our focus today is 3rd John. 3rd John is so interesting. Let's go. Question 1. What is the popular verse in 3rd John? The most popular verse in 3rd John. Should I give you options? Verse 1. I'm just going to give you blind option. Verse 3, verse 2, verse 10. I know that 3rd John speaks a lot of meaning to different people, but there's one common verse that resonates with almost all of us. I want to hear your thoughts on the comment section. If your options are not here, please just copy the verse and paste it on the comment section. What is the most popular verse for you in 3rd John? I remember that song we used to sing. I don't know, no hints this time. And so thank you for being part of our community. It's a new community here on Bible Trivia with Yoyo. We're exploring Bible basics, we're exploring Bible quizzes, we're exploring Bible stories. If you're not yet part of this community, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, leave us a comment, share, and And don't forget to play these quizzes with your friends and family. And so remember, connecting our memories to Bible basics, those teachings that you were taught in Sunday school and in search the scripture. Let's explore together Bible trivia with Yoyo. Until our next episode, do have a wonderful week. Take care.